Oh, I found out some information and it's bittersweet. But first, what's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZbook channel. Do me a favor, questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I have seen these displays, and they work wonderful for your PEZ. Thin foot, thick foot, maybe even the pops. But I never knew where these were made, or who made them, or who released them. And then I acquired two more. And these that I required had this on the back. The Burlingame Museum of PEZ Memorabilia. Unfortunately, a great place, and I never got the chance to go there. But from the pictures I've seen, from the videos I've seen on YouTube, it was amazing. Unfortunately, it is no longer there. But I do know what these stands are and who made them, so when I ask for them to add to a display or something, or I can educate everybody else, hey, these came from Burlingame. Very cool for your footed dispensers. Another way for you to, come on now. Work with me here, bunny. Work with me. So until next time.